P10 goes along with P9 if you thought P9 was easy. P10 maybe just a tiny bit harder, but it's still the very same concept. It says that the function f of x is invertible, which means if you have xy, then the inverse is yx, and this is inverse of 5. So what you are doing is this right here, your 5 goes there because it's your y, and they are looking for your x. So to be able to find the x, we're going to go up 5, and this point right here is at 0, 5. So 0 is your answer. So your y is -2. So your y is -2. So we're going to go down 2. And where does the blue graph cross the blue line that I just drew? And it's right there. So how do we get there? We go over left 2 and down -2. So what's your x? 2. So our y is -1. So I'm going to go down -1, and I'm going to find the blue line, or the blue graph, which is right there. So how do I get there? 6, -1. So 6 is your answer. -4 is the y, so I'm going to go down 4. I'm going to change colors since everything's blue. I'm going to go down 4. Where's the blue graph? Right here. How do we get there? We go over -8. -8 is the answer.